Hey! Welcome to the unboxing of my first sous vide machine. I wouldn't let you be surprised, but I put it in the title what it is, so. Ooh! It's alive! Let's look. You got one yet? You know I got how many? 11, 12 pressure cookers. Never had a sous vide yet. Till today. This is packed very well. Ooh, that looks good already. Leading the minimalistic way of cooking. That's the back of the box. Oh. Look. Isn't it beautiful? And this is from a company called AuAg. I'll put all the details in the description below the video. Can't wait to open it. $1,050 watts maximum. Oh, it's all presets and everything. We're going to learn this. I never used one of these before. You know that. But I know you want me to. Let's open it some more this way. It's like Christmas time on my birthday. Every day's my birthday around here. Big box. Told you, AuAg. User manual, and I'm definitely going to read that. This is nice. Nice and heavy. But not too heavy. Got a clip there to clip it on your pot or your sous vide bin. It's going to be all digital on top there with a lot of presets. I'll show you that when I plug it in. Big heavy power cord. Test. Power. Okay. Let me plug this in. This has many presets. Let me look at the book quick and see if I can tell you. I read it on the website. 30 kinds of menus. Like you turn this. Hear the clicking? Wow. Everything from normal do-it-yourself, like a manual mode, beef, steak, ribs, mutton, lamb chop, turkey, chicken, duck, goose, foie gras, squab, pork, fish, lobster, vegetables, beets, leeks, asparagus, carrots, trombones, triumphs, turnips, zucchini, mushrooms. Oh, I just had some fried mushrooms. Eggs, corn, squash. Whoa! I want to plug it in. I want to see that fancy light. Can you see this back here? Heavy duty. Judy. Oh, don't look at me with these glasses on. I don't need glasses, I'm a young man. So the first thing I learned, I know you can't see much here probably because of the light, but it's a nice digital setup. And the first thing I learned, it should be in water before you even do this. So don't do what I did. First I also ordered a bin that came with it. You could use a big pot, like a spaghetti pot, or anything with that much water in it. And you can also use a bin, a sous vide type of bin, which I sent for and also came today. Okay? So you're getting a double unboxing. Oh! More airbags. And silicone food bags. See? Put your meat in there, whatever you want. You can use vacuum sealed foods that are already at the store. Right? They sell them, don't they? I'm gonna see now. This is gonna be convenient because I'm gonna fill this up with water. Put this in. And let it percolate. See? Then it's gonna come on. That's a safety feature that you must have water in there. Read your instructions good, like I'm gonna do, because we're not used to this. Sorry, can you hear me? Alright, I'll get back when my bin is full. Alright, this is enough water. I also read in the instructions, this is the lowest level, and that's the highest level for water. If you can't see that, there's little lines there. I'm just trying this out. I'm going to cook tomorrow, so you're going to have to stay tuned for that. But I'm clamped that there. Perfect. Now I'm going to plug it into the wall. And there's a little power button up here. I know with these lights and everything, it's hard for you to see probably. Oh, listen, it went right on. Can you see the top of this? It went to normal. It's in Celsius or Fahrenheit, which I like. See that? It's warming up. See, then you turn the knob and it goes time. Now, if I get normal to blink, when it's blinking, you turn the knob. See, beef ribs, temperature's preset in the time. Mutton, temperature's preset in the time. Turkey, it's great. I hope you can see it. Believe me, it's there. It's digital. When you have your mode blinking, you just change it. Carrots, 185 degrees for 15 minutes. See? Zucchini. I love this. AuAg. Alright, I'm gonna just let it warm with this water just for a test tonight, okay? Let me set it on. Let's see. Alright, this is set on eggs. Let me set it on something higher. Let me see. It's very easy to operate. When you hold the menu button down until it blinks, then you turn this through your 30 presets. I'm going to leave it on vegetables for 15 minutes at 185. It blinks and then it sets in. There it is. There, I turned off the light so you can see it better. Look at that. See? See the temperature? Time, all that. And the light probably changes color to blue like the box when it's done. I'm not sure. We're going to find out. Nice. Okay, the preset is 185. You see it blink? And right now it's 119. It goes back and forth. And it has 15 minutes left on the time. You could probably change this too if you wanted to. Yeah, you could change that. Oh, alright. Let's leave that where it was. I'm just checking it out. Nice display, isn't it? AuAg. And I feel the warmth already with my hand. Oh yeah. I like to soak my feet in there. Once it gets up to your set temperature that you want, then the timer starts counting down. You know? So I think I'd warm this up before I put my meat in. But you could do it either way. We're gonna learn, right? When it comes up to temperature, it turns green, say, and it beeped, and the timer started counting down. It's 13 minutes now. Sous vide cooker. Convenient, simple, healthy. Your personal cooking housekeeper. We're gonna have fun with this. It's real quiet too. Hear a little sizzling. You hear the water bubbling a little bit, that's all. Okay, so again, and these bags I got are reusable. They didn't come with this. We bought the bin and the bag separately, but it's an accessory that we wanted. You don't have to use it. You could use this in your big spaghetti pot in a Ziploc bag. Look it up, you can do that, because I've been looking it up. And tomorrow, I think I'm gonna make some steak for my first meal. Hey! It's quiet too. You don't need a stove. You can cook on the table or outside. When your stove is full of everything else, you could be cooking your meat over here. You can get a bigger bin. See my shirt? The Mike and Katie show. Remember them? Katie is Kathy's daughter. Remember Kathy? Eh?
Hi there.
Hey! Katie's Kathy's daughter. And Mike and her have this video game channel that you have to check out and subscribe. So click on that link in my description and subscribe to them today. Okay? Alright. What's up, Mike and Katie? Gonna eat? Gonna eat some sous vide meat? They like going to restaurants with us, huh?
Yep.
Always get in trouble. It's that Mike guy. He's always starting stuff. Alright, check out AuAg for a great new sous vide cooker. And tomorrow, I'm going to eat my supper with one of these tender steaks. I heard the thing about cooking these low and slow, like we like to cook our barbecue, the low and slow really makes them tender, you know. You cook them in there and then sear them at the end, or the other way around, however you like. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I can't wait to see how much fun we have with this. Maybe we'll end up with 10 sous vides too, huh? Well, sous vide pressure cooker war. Alright, talk to you soon. Check out Mike and Katie. See ya.